A cold front has cooled things off over the western and southern part of South Africa on Tuesday. On our satellite, you'll see a band of cloud extending from the Free State through to the eastern Cape Coast, with a few showers occurring over the interior part of the eastern Cape. You'll also see a secondary front sweeping over the southern part of South Africa. That's kept temperatures cool, brought in a large amounts of cloud, and also brought in some rainfall with it. Now, we're still forecasting some light rain in the south overnight, as well as a few showers over the southeastern and eventually eastern part of the country, with a cold night in store over South Africa's interior. Wednesday morning starts off with some light rain along the eastern Cape coastline, with overcast weather and the possibility of rainfall for KwaZulu-Natal. A ridging high results in cooler weather over the extreme northeastern parts, with a thin band of isolated thundershowers extending between Botswana and the southeastern and eastern interior, with a sunny and warmer forecast expected in the west. You'll see a 40% chance of rainfall over the southern part of South Africa overnight, with a 40% chance of showers over parts of the eastern Cape, and that possibility of rainfall spreads up the east coast, with a slight possibility of drizzle still over parts of the western Cape. You'll see a southwesterly to southerly wind along the east coast on Tuesday afternoon and evening. Light winds are forecast over the interior all the way through to Wednesday. You'll see winds becoming offshore along the west coast on Wednesday, resulting in a warmer day, with that ridging high pushing in cooler air over the eastern part of the country. Overnight, we're expecting chilly conditions, especially over the interior, with a minimum of around 5 degrees for the Free State, Kimberley and Uppington, 1 degree below zero for Sutherland, 11 for Cape Town and Bishu. Still quite mild along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, with Pretoria and Mbombela dropping to 9 degrees overnight. You'll see a cooler day, especially over the eastern parts on Wednesday, with highs in the upper teens and low 20s for KwaZulu-Natal. We're forecasting a maximum of around 20 degrees for Gauteng, 23 for Mbombela, 21 for Uppington and Kimberley. Highs head into the teens for the Free State and the Eastern Cape, after the warmer day in the west, Cape Town at 21. On Thursday, we're forecasting overcast and wet weather through to Mbombela and Polokwane, with a cooler day for Gauteng and the possibility of thundershowers. Some light rain is still forecast along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, and on Friday, we're still expecting a few showers along the northeastern escarpment, but overall, we're expecting drier and warmer weather as we head towards the weekend. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.